by the beer tent to drum up some more enthusiasts to join you. Another 1,000 people from the beer tent. He's pulled up a little on the 90s. Fantastic little bike. Apparently some people are having a job to hear me. We've got our sound technician with me now, and he's promised me that he will make the volume a bit higher. Is that better, everybody? Can any more people hear me now? Yes, I think we've got a signal from up there. So without more ado, we'll get the show on the road here now. We're starting off today with the jousters. Here's the jousters now with their trusty steeds here, with the horse blankets on them. It's Sir Falcon Soaring, I think that's how I pronounce it, and Sir Fist-a-Lot. They've all got naughty names, I know, so you'll have to explain it to the kids later on. Here they come now. Let's give them a bit of applause here. Let's give them a bit of encouragement.
Hey.
Here they come now, the jousters. The idea is to knock them down and beat the living daylights out of them. And down they go. Straight into action there. Knocking the 7 belts out of him. He's down on the ground. Let's give him a big cheer there. Hand-to-hand combat. Yes, we've got a winner, everybody. He's just come out of the beer tent, so he's raring to go. Hey, let's give a big send-off there for the jousters, everybody. And a prehistoric gun, designed and built in our own workshops. Live ammunition will be used to blow a china plate to pieces, held in the hand of the stuntman. He lost some fingers last week, so he's using his other hand today. He will hold the plate. The gun will be fired. Yes! Wow! The accuracy of that blunderbuss is legend itself. Now here he goes now, he's going to take a long shot. Yes! Wow! 2 out of 2. He's going to reload now. He reloads the gun. He has a license to kill. He's 008, we call him. Now this is the mirror shot. Yes! And he shot the man with the mirror. Down he goes. This is cunning stuff, this. Cunning stunts at speeds approaching 100 miles an hour will be formed. Yes! Over the shoulder. Hold your breath now. Here he goes. And another one up there. There's 2 shots of... Let's see, where's the first one? Yes! Now there's one still up there, everybody. Look up in the sky, there's a shot still up there. Let's hope we don't get that plane. Shoot the plane down. Yes, I see it now. Yes! A delayed action shot there from the shotgun man and the plate trick. Let's give him a great big round of applause there. A great big help. Is renowned for his sprinting ability. We tie him to a motorbike for his own safety, so he doesn't go straight through the trees at the top end. That's the safety rope. Now he will sprint towards those trees, and he'll arrive there in about 4 seconds. We might need to do a slow hand clap to give him some encouragement. He's very, very fast. Now the orange suit is a fireproof suit to stop him burning up on re-entry. He goes that fast. Now is the stuntman ready on the bike? I think he is. He gives me the thumbs up. Are you ready, stuntman? Let's clap now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! Back to the drawing board there. His suit has come off. What a specimen. He's completely disorientated now. I think the noise of the shotgun has upset him. It is a man, is it? Yeah, I'm not sure about that. This is really difficult to ride, and the driver has been known to sweat profusely, so buckets of water will be provided. He'll be passed along the top and spilled into the beaker on the rider's head without spilling so much as a drop of water. Let's get the first bucket now, cool them down there, fill the beaker. Ah yes, the water's in the beaker, well some of it is I think. Here they go now round the top. Very, very difficult to ride. It's based on a Douglas horse tram with the running boards at the side. And there's Robert the polecat in charge of the long bike. Let's give them some encouragement here. Let's give them a bit of a shout as they go past. Cool them down. There's the water in the jug. Yes, more water I think we need. They're skidding on the wet grass now. There she goes now. A little Honda engine there pulling about 6 boys. And you're going to try and remount, giving them the water. This could go anywhere. So if you want some in the crowd, just ask them. That's the water. He's thrown a bit in the crowd there just for good luck. Let's give him a great big cheer there for the long bike and the bucket of water. Here he comes now, ladies and gentlemen. And over he goes. It's a double somersault. Wow, let's give him a big round of applause. They need another man. He looks baffled. Built out of girders. There's the monkey. It's very easy to make a balls of this. Let's give him a big cheer there for the monkey. Now these bikes are spaced by the strength of the underpants of the man on the top. And if his underpants go, he goes down with it. It's very easy to make a balls of this. Will he do it? And he's through! Let's give him a big cheer there for the little monkey. Wow. Honda. Honda. Wow. What a great show this is. Here he comes. And he's through, everybody. What a virtuoso. Hey, the little behind him, everybody. This is Methane Man. He eats the beans and produces the methane to fire the bike. He'll turn you green if you get a smell of that. Well, he seems to have disappeared. Come back, Methane Man. What a specimen. Here he comes now, breakneck speed. Let's give him some encouragement there. Warm your hands up for Methane Man, everybody. He seems to have stopped eating. I think the smell has got to him. Let's see him off there. Well done, Methane Man. And the Marksman will attempt to shoot them from their moving motorcycles. And there's the Marksman. He's loaded his gun. Let's see what happens now. A duck at a time. Wow! There, he's got the first duck. He's down. He shot him. And another one. This is really quite brutal. He's shooting the ducks out of hand. Look at the poor little things. Oh, this one's just died. And another one down. Oh, he's picking them off like ducks. Oh, carnage, mayhem here at Helmsley. Wow, yes. He's just got, I think he's only wounded, that one. He's in a bit of a flap. Head on. Wow, he shot another duck. One left there. And he's evading capture. He's a lucky duck. Here he goes. And he's missed. This is the white helmet's biggest trick, but we do it a bit smaller. This is the pyramid. There's a duck going past there, he must have survived. Whole pile of boys They're mounted up. Now this may look easy, or it may not, depending where you're standing. Come on, let's give them a bit of a cheer here. This is quite a feat for... With half a ton of purple helmets on there, up the field at breakneck speed, they will attempt to turn without the pyramid coming down. It's a bit like pyramid selling this. They can come down very quickly. Let's give them a cheer. Come on, I think they're going to turn. They've done the turn, everybody. On their way back down the field now. Everyone a virtuoso. There's the jigs man on the top there, top boy. Speed. Here they come now. Into the first one, the clover hoof and the clown's pocket. Roger Rabbit and a belly fruit. They must travel round the bucket so they'll be disqualified. The Dutch rudder brings up the end of it there. You hear those little engines straining up the field, towing the way to two men in a wheelie bin. And then gathering speed down this side, down round the black bucket. Open hoof and the clown's pocket still out ahead there in the belly flute. And there's a man on the ground. There's a man on the ground there, but he hangs on. With no fear for his own safety or the rider. Here we go round the top, and I think we've got a clear leader here at the moment. But will they find their way round without the buckets? There's the polecat out in front there, the Roger Rabbit, the clown's pocket, the belly flute and the cloven hoof. And a full slide on there for the cloven hoof round the corner. And he strides to make way on the others. Down the top of the field. No quarter given here today. Flat out. With as much speed as they can muster. Get a full slide on. Let's give them a great big cheer there for International Wheelie Men Racing, everybody. Wow. I think it's okay. Yes, he signals to me that the ramp is in position. One by one they will jump over the body of their prone friend here. Over they go, everybody. Flat out, down the field. Honda after Honda. Do a few laps round just to warm up the bikes. They warm the slick tyres now for the corner. And now, I think this is where the argy-bargy really does start, everybody. For anybody who hasn't seen this before. Now, no. I wonder where they'll put him. Yep, dragged a few out of the way there. There's some terrible cowardice involved in this. Having said that, the man at the end was killed last Thursday, but he's back again today. Now he's got to check this out. Oh, Christ. Oh, look away, everybody. What a specimen. Now, they've paced this out. Oh, they're going to use the naked man at the end today. He lies down now in the prone position. He protects his helmet now with both hands. Now, the stunt man. Oh, I don't like the look of this. Ooh. He warms up the engine there. Let's see if he can do this. He might just land in an awkward place here. Oh, and here he goes. And he's missed. He's completely missed the plank. And the coward has run away. He's going to bring him back. I'm pretty sure now get him back there. Come on, there's no room for cowards in here. He drags him back. It's time we got rid of him anyway. He lies down. I felt that myself. Anyway, he's lying down now. The stuntman has gone back a bit further, I think, to get a better run at it. And he will attempt to jump over these guys. Hold your breath, everybody. Here he comes now. Wow! Come on, let's give him. Yes, they're gonna do the bar dive now. Well, our little show is coming to an end at the moment, but we'll be back at 5 o'clock with another one. The finale to it now is the bar dive, where a man mounts up on the shoulders. There's a bit of a discussion going on here. Oh, look at, I don't know what he's doing there, but I'm getting a crackle here somewhere on the speaker. Is it my fault? Maybe not. That's better. Oh, bit of an echo. How's that? I have to look away. Now, he mounts up to approach the plank. Hold your breath, everybody. Yes! He flies through the air, the bar dive. Wow. We give you our salute. World famous purple helmets, everybody. Let's give a great big Helmsley cheer. Hooray! To the longest running stunt team, certainly in Britain, maybe in the world. The world famous purple helmets at Helmsley. Thank you.